Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs. Welcome to RAGTAG Fukuoka. RAGTAG is a high-end consignment store offering a well-curated selection of designer and contemporary men's and women's clothing. The store space provides a pleasant shopping experience with minimal rummaging required. They regularly stock renowned Japanese brands like Yohji Yamamoto and Consignment Gardens. Customers can find items in good condition, some even brand new with tags. Access: 5 minutes on foot from exit to Tenjin Station on the subway airport line. 9 minutes on foot from exit to Akasaka Station on the subway airport line. 7 minutes on foot from Nishitetsu Fukuoka Tenjin Station north exit on the Nishitetsu Tenjin Omuta line. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. Please like, share, and subscribe. Why you should go: 1. Explore a large selection of luxury brands and items on 2 floors. 2. Enjoy a well-organized and clean shopping environment compared to typical vintage stores. 3. Find great deals on second-hand designer clothing from top brands like Gucci and Saint Laurent. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Quite a large selection, 2 floors, upper floor purely dedicated to luxury brands and items. Staff were friendly as well. Would recommend checking it out. Just tax-free also. Please do watch our other Fukuoka, Japan playlist. Visit RAGTAG for discounted high-end fashion pieces such as Yohji Yamamoto and Consignment Gardens. Check out both floors for different selections. Upper floor focuses on luxury brands. Be prepared for potentially limited staff, but expect friendly service nonetheless. Consider visiting during weekdays or off-peak hours to avoid crowds. Please do watch our other hobby and collection series. Have you been to Fukuoka, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.